bring you guys my updated multicam airsoft loadout.
346.
Another one down.
No.
Depends how much people are into it today.
What's going on, Airsofters? This is Airsoft 10, and I recently went up to Zulu24 for their 5-year anniversary. Really had a blast. They got a little bit of snow, but it wasn't that bad. So this was the first game of the day. This was Capture the Flag, in which each team's objective was to get to the other side of CQB City, get into the building that they need to get into. Ours was the church. We needed to raise the flag to our color, and then we would win the game. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. There will be more games from the day. I'm using my KWA SR10.
If it feels like working, it's gonna work. If it doesn't,
Oh, did you see the picture? It says don't.
Yeah!
But it has it separated into two legs each.
I don't even think I can reach him though. Oh, he can't even reach us. Come on, let's move on. Okay. I got it. Oh.
I was begging for change. Got it. God. It's civilian. Did not come out. Go, get in there. Do not forget about your defense. Do not forget about your defense. Let's go, no man. Get back in there. Get back in there. Go there. Go there. Don't shoot me.
I know what you guys are thinking. You guys think I'm camping the enemy, but I am not. Our objective is the church, and it's actually really close to this building that I'm in right now, which is why I shot that enemy player. All we gotta do now is raise the flag, but I was not camping, and that's why I fell back a little.
Hit! 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 Ow!
Is that game?
Yeah, it's game. Right?
Whatever.
Yeah, wait, what happened?
I was pulling him up and then got stuck in the middle.
That's not game over. Go cap his ass.
That's right, get him! That's not game! That's not game! Keep playing! That thing's dying.
Guys, that's not game. Keep playing.
Keep killing each other!
That's game. Now it's game.
Okay, guys, so we won that game. It was a really quick game, a little bit of confusion at the end, but it was so quick that we decided to switch sides because each team had enough ammo. Well, each player had enough ammo. So now our team is going to actually move to the other side, and we're going to go and try to go to the school and raise the flag there.
Oh, it's really slippery. Hit! Hit! Where? How many buildings?
I didn't see him. The shots just came by.
Hey, you really don't feel the shots to this.
It's alright. Hit!
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Hey! Hey! Watch our building to the left.
Oh, look, battery died.
Somebody over here. I'm hit too.
Alright.
I'm hit too. I'm hit. Don't you worry. Hit! CO2 went a little automatic there. Hit! 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 Hit!
Alright guys, so for the second round, Both teams were unable to raise their flags, yet this was a really fun game. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and stay safe. Feel free to ask questions, guys. Thank you for all the feedback, and thank you for subscribing. There'll be more videos from the day, like I said in the beginning. Stay tuned for more videos besides those other gameplay videos. Just remember, this was Airsoft 10. I'll see you guys later.
That was a fun game.